Uh, See, last time we have seen the length method, right? So now let's see the length variable. We have seen it. Now let's see the length method. There is a difference between the length method and the length variable actually. Okay. So length variable will be applicable for the arrays. It would be integer array, float array, char array, it could be any other array. But instead, like, if you are having a string array, so in order to find out the length, we are using the length method. We are using the length method. Let's see what the length method will do actually. So of course, length method is a final method. It is a final method, and it is used to, again, it is used to identify the length of a given string or string array. Okay, so you can easily identify the length of a string. For example, let's say we have a string str. Let's say hello, hello. So we can use length method to identify the length of the string. Okay, it will return the length of the string. So for example, let's say str dot engt length. Okay, so what is the length of this string? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length of the string is 5. Okay, so what it will do is internally it will store all these content, all these value in a indexes format, something like this. H in one zeroth index, E in zeroth index, L in zeroth index, one more L in zeroth index, sorry, in one more index, and O in a separate index. So it would be something like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total, how many values it is storing? 5 values. So the length is 5 itself. Okay. So, and this length method is only applicable for strings or string arrays. Strings are string arrays. String are string arrays. Okay. Let me see a simple example on this one. Let me open my Spring Tool suite. Let me see an example on this one as well. So let's say, let me create a string array. Um, Finding length of string array. Finding length of string array main. So here what I'll do is I'll be finding the length of string array. So I'll be defining the string array str equals to, otherwise I'll, instead of giving the str, I'll give the names. Okay. So here I'll say John Cena, and here I'll say Rock, okay, Seamus. Who's this one? Randy Atom. Randy Orton. Okay. Can someone tell what is the size of an array? String array? It is, it is 4. 4. Okay. So let me see this. Okay. Let me write this out. System.out.println println and the size of the given array is, as I'll be saying using length method over here. Again, gth length method. Why it is throwing an exception? Because it is string array, right? It is asking me to change the length. Okay. String array also we will be using the same. Let me check this one first. GTH. So here we use count. Okay, let me give one more string. Let's say country name. So I'll give India the country name. So I'll say country name dot length. Okay. Okay. I got it. For arrays, so we have to use actually the length variable. For strings only, it is taking the length method.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, their name dot length of brackets did not give.
Where?
Int count equal to names dot length brackets need to give, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I subject to the correction. Like what I did is what I said is before. Like
Yeah.
I was saying that like we have to use the length method for the strings and string arrays. Okay, so but it's I think I am wrong actually. So regarding that, so it is taking the length variable, okay, instead of the length method to find out the size for the string array. Okay, so that's why I have changed it to the length instead of length method. So if I'm giving length method, it is throwing me an exception. It is throwing me an exception saying that cannot invoke length method on the array type. So you have to use the length variable only for the arrays. So no matter it is a string array or no matter it is any type of array. So if we have a string, so you can use length method. That's that's the only thing we have. Mm, yeah, I'll say this. Given string is got it. Yes. So it was showing the size of the given array is 4 and the length is 5. I am wrong actually. Okay, so let's go to the next method.